Hello everyone. Today we're going to have a quick recap about components and stages in AI project cycle. What is AI project cycle? It is a sequence of phase or a framework which gives a starting and ending point and what happened through this entire process. And it gives us a basic foundation of action that have to be performed in the project and a specific work involved in it. There are many steps involved in the AI project cycle. They are problem scoping, data acquisition, data exploration, modeling, and evaluation. Now, if we take problem scoping, it just gives a solution for the problem which you're having regarding the project. In problem scoping, you have 4W canvas: what, which, who, where. And these are the four which you can frame a set of questions and have the problems can be solved in it. Where who stands for who are you solving for, what stands for what is the problem, where stands for where the problem exists, and why stands for why are you solving it. The main usage of this 4W canvas is to just identify the key elements related to the problem. And next, the purpose of 4W canvas. It is just to clarify the goals and scope of the project and helps the team in what they need to solve the problem regarding their wish. Next, we are going to see about system maps. What is system map? It is just a relationship between the different element of the problem which we have scoped, and it gives us some strategizing the solution for achieving a goal regarding the project. And just the system map is a visual representation of a system. And there are many system comprises like system boundary, system components, relationships in their flows and feedback loops, next environment, attributes and feedback loops. And there are set of rules for drawing system maps, and I gave that some rules in the presentation, and here you can look in it. Some like that the blobs represent boundaries or elements of system components. Words are used to name each components. Blobs may overlap only if one or more components which need not to be dissipated are common to both. There are still many rules for drawing maps so you can have a look on it and clarify it. Next, as same as rules, there are some guidelines for drawing system maps, and that also given in the presentation. You can have a look on it. Like there are some points the system boundaries must be clear, overlaps are must be avoided if possible, and blobs can be anywhere, but it's best to put important components closer together. Like there are many still, and you have a look on it. Next, we going into data acquisition. What is data acquisition? Data acquisition is the first stage of life cycle, and just what is the work of data acquisition is just to collect the data regarding the project cycle, which helps us to complete the project easier. The data acquisition can collect the data from physical sensors or application programming interface, web scraping or database and surveys. From these, the data are collected to the projects which we are doing. Next, there are types of data. There are two types of data: structured data and unstructured data. Structured data is just information organized in a fixed and predetermined format and typically within the tables, database and spreadsheet. But same, if you go under unstructured data, it don't have a proper fixed or predetermined format within the table or something else. It is just a thing which is represented inside, but it won't have proper alignment or format in it like structured data. Next, we are going under data exploration. Data exploration is just to analyze the statistical method and to understand the characteristics of data set and to uncover the patterns. It is just used to understand what is the data and how it will be used and what is the detail in it. And why data exploration is important. It is just important to uncover the insights where it helps in discovering the hidden patterns and trends regarding the data and identify the data issues and inform further analysis like to analyze what is going to happen by creating using this data or something else. Then validate the hypothesis. It helps in confirm the right questions are being asked in it. Next, we are going under data cleaning. It is just a process to identify the corrections and mistakes which is done in the project and to rectify it. It is just to present a overall good quality of the project. Next, we are going to see about evaluation. Evaluation is just a critical stage after model training where the model's performance, reliability and effectiveness are tested using separate and unseen test data. It includes like performance metrics like accuracy, precision, recall and F1 score to ensure the model's suitability for real world scenarios and alignment with project objects. Next, we are going under confusion matrix. Confusion matrix is nothing but a table that summarizes the performance of a classification model with its four components. The four components are true positive, true negative, false positive, false negative. True positive means both the prediction and the reality will be true. But in true negative, the prediction will be true but the reality will be wrong. Same, if you going at false positive, the prediction will be false but the reality will be true. Same as in false negative, both the prediction and the reality will be false. There are some methods in evaluation. They are accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score. The formula for accuracy is accuracy equal to true positive plus true negative divided by true positive plus true negative plus false positive plus false negative, which is the first in the numerator will be adding true positive and true negative. In denominator we will be adding everything. True positive, true negative, false positive and false negative. Same in precision. The formula for precision is precision equal to true positive by true positive plus false positive. In numerator only we will be having true positive and in denominator we will be adding both the positives, true positive and false positive. In recall, the formula for recall is recall equal to true positive by true positive plus false negative. In recall, the numerator will be true positive but the denominator will be true positive plus false negative. In same in F1 score. F1 score is equal to 2 into precision into recall divided by precision plus recall, where the precision and recall will be multiplied in numerator and denominator both will be added and multiplied with 2. Regarding confusion matrix and evaluation method, I gave an example scenario. The scenario is spam email detection. Imagine a model designed to classify emails as either spam or not spam after testing it on 1000 emails. The model's performance is summarized by the following confusion matrix, and they gave step by step what is confusion matrix and how it is executed and what is evaluation method and how it is executed by their formulas for precision, recall, accuracy and F1 score. So have a look on this example and get a clear mind about what is confusion matrix and what is evaluation method. Then after this I gave you one practice question. The scenario for the practice question is a telecom company use a machine learning model to predict which customers are likely to churn, aiming to proactively offer incentive to keep them. They have a confusion matrix from a test set of 1000 customers. So go through this question and solve the question and have a clear mind about what is confusion matrix and evaluation method, and further we'll see you on your next video. Thank you.